Hey, how's it going? I'm waiting because this is like my third do-over. Okay, I'm gonna swatch these Pilot colored mechanical pencils, or yeah, mechanical colored pencils. That's that's what I want. I have it right here. You think I would read it? Hello, Pilot Color Enodes that they're called, and they're 0.7 millimeter leads. And I do recommend if you buy these, they're only 8 colors, is to get the refills with them. They're plastic cases here, and they contain 10 leads per case. And if you buy these, if you buy just this set, it's like maybe, I think it's $12.90 as of July 2026. But if you get, you know, just these and you don't buy the refills and you need the refills, then it's going to, they vary in range from, as far as price goes, like $3.80 to $5 and change. I can't remember what the $5 one is, and this one wasn't even available when I was looking. I'm sure they have it. You can go to any website that sells colored pencils or office supplies or anything like that. But I got these on Amazon, of course. Of course. So these are pretty cool. And they open up this way. honest, they open. They remind me of very small or narrow Pez dispensers. So you take off the little silver thing there and you just open it up like that and you shake it out, and to refill it then you take off this little cap. There's an eraser here and you remove that, and then you put the lead down in there when you need to refill it. And I was watching a video and somebody said that you can put more than one lead in there, and I'm thinking, wouldn't that kind of, I don't know, wouldn't that mess up the leads or something? Would they get stuck together down there or anything? I have no idea. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, and when they come in the mail, they do not come in blister packaging, you know, like the sturdy packaging. Oh no, you get the pens in a bag, and these are in a bag. This bag, shiny bag. And I think the pens came in there too. The pens, no, there's no way. I just cannot remember because I got them a few weeks ago. I can't remember how they came, but I know they did not come in a blister package that you can just open up, you know, and ta-da, like a built-in tray or anything like that. Nope. So the odds of me getting, so I'm not surprised that this red one had a cracked, it had a broken lead in there, and I have since taken it out. It's only like that big or something. So this is already starting with a shortened lead. So I'm glad I got those. Now the whole set, you know, $28.50 for the whole set with the refills, and just $12.90 without the refills. But that's as of July 2026. Okay. So the colors are, according to the description page on Amazon, they are pink, red, orange, yellow, green, soft blue, although I wrote light blue, blue, and violet. I gotta wear my glove today because my hand just kind of cramped up on me right before I turned on the camera. I was like, no. This orange one looks more on the yellow side, like the goldenrod. That's what I thought it was. I was like, oh, 2 yellows, but no orange. And then here, this is more orange. And it's like, okay. Okay, whatever. Oh, I'm not supposed to say whatever, right? It's very rude. Okay, I'm gonna do some writing. I've already, when these arrive, they don't have lead out here, so you just have to press them to get the lead out. And also, when you put the lead in, then you have to remember to like push it out and then just kind of tap it like that, because sometimes it doesn't set right away, so you just do that until it's set. Are all mechanical pencils like that? Do you have mechanical pencils, viewers? Tell me. I don't know. Okay, how does it write? Oh, that's pretty nice. You can't see anything I'm doing. Whoa. That's how it writes. Can we use these for coloring? I know you're asking. Somebody asked in the audience. I heard it. Yes. Yes, you can, but I don't know. Maybe detail. Maybe detail work. That looks very bad. I haven't worked with colored pencils in a while, apparently. I can't even remember how I do it. Do I start dark and go to light in my swatching videos? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to put them that way. And the red, yes, I want to make sure that the tip is out. It's so tiny I have to put it up to my eyeballs. Let me just move these aside here. And we have red. Oh. Where'd it go? I guess you have to be careful because the tips or the leads are only 0.7 millimeter. Wow, 0.7 millimeter. Can we see that? Does that even compute? That's like super tiny. A lot of people rave about these in the reviews. I don't know if these would be good, I think, for planners. Can you see these being used as planners? As planners. In planners. As planners. I can see them being used in planners. For very specific writing that you need to read. Okay, I almost tried to retract it. But no. What am I hearing? What am I hearing? That's strange. That does not... Does that look like orange? Okay, what am I doing wrong? I think I'm doing it sideways. Forgot how to spell orange. You know, I think I'm treating this like a regular colored pencil, which has a much wider core there. So I have to do it straight up and down like that. I don't know about these. I'm just gonna lightly color. Can you see that? I cannot see that. I can't see it in the field monitor. Maybe. Wow. Yeah, yellow. I'm afraid to look where this box is because I cannot see it. The box I just drew in yellow. Oh, I knew it. I did a 3D box. don't know where I'm going with this. I don't know. I don't know. That's terrible. I knew I could think of another word for horrible. It's incredibly light. It can make the sun. Okay. Also, I read, I think on the JetPen's website, because I was looking for directions on how to fill these, and I went to the JetPen's website, and that's not even where I bought these pencils, because there's nothing on Amazon to tell you how to refill them. So I thought for sure, oh, let me go on there, and they'll show me, they'll tell me, right? Yeah. No. I went into the JetPen's website, and they were talking, somebody there was saying that these are, in the description, it was wax free so that you can erase them better. And I thought, that's I'm going to have to try that. I'm going to have to demonstrate it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, even though I can see it, I still can't draw that box correctly. Also, my hand might be in the way. I do apologize, but these are very fragile pens. I'm sorry, pencils. Gosh. So now am I going to have a problem with pens, pencils? Next week, part 2 of the pen and pencil holder is coming out, and I'm very sorry that I had to do it in parts. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'll do the soft blue and put that in quotes. And then I'm going to do light blue. I'm going to do soft in quotes and just bright light blue. That way I'll be totally confused. Blue says hi. Here? He's playing with paper right now. I'm not going to stop him. Whoa. Okay, so... I hear the train. I heard the train the other day, and I was waking up one morning, and I heard it, and I thought, okay, that's coming from the south, because I can hear it, like, in increments. I can hear it in increments, so I'll hear it for a few seconds, and then I won't hear it again for, like, a minute or two, or probably a few minutes. I hear it again, and then a few minutes later I hear it again, and that tells me that it's coming from the south and heading north, because there are more railroad crossings on the southern side of where I live than on the northern side. And they're closer together. That was very nice. Once again, I started small here with pink. And I don't know why I do that. I don't even notice until I'm almost done with my swatching. Oh, that's right. Blue. Basic blue. Not Blue the cat. Wow, I have not said that in a long time. That's not too bad. Is there something under here? I felt like I went over something, like a little bump or something in the road there. A little bump on the tracks, since we're talking about trains. These, I'd say you could color with these if you're very light, very careful. I see right there. I'm sorry. That was probably very wild and crazy since I'm zoomed in, so I'm very sorry about that. But that was kind of bothering me. I'm thinking, what is that? I'm listening. I'm listening for sounds of Blue eating his plastic box. Oh wait, he's gonna go up and get some food. Gonna go get some water and stuff. Never mind, everything's fine. Remind me to show you the eraser version. Now I did try the eraser, I think for the red one. And where's that paper? Right here. Here. You can kind of see the red. Like, it's not going to erase it completely in here. I use, now you might be thinking, oh, those erasers are good, but no. No, not these. Not these. This one. This one did the job. Okay. Maybe I should start out. I'm going to have to go back into... I was just in my swatching binder. Why? Oh, I was looking for... I know, I heard somebody say, why were you in the swatching binder? I was just in there looking for... Excuse me. I was looking for... Okay, so I colored it too much there. Swatch cards. I need to make more swatch cards. Now you do want to be careful of that. Like, you don't want to press down too hard when you erase, because this is the mechanism to push the lead out here. As you can see, it doesn't erase everything. But you know, even this one will not erase everything. So let's see. Like a built-in brush here on my glove. Isn't that great? Also, if you do it really hard, like I'm going to do it, it's not going to erase it entirely. So I'm thinking, you know, like the lighter... That's actually pretty good with that one. Let's do it with this one. And okay, so we have, this was this purple one right here, which is, I forget what it's called. M&G Stationers. I really like them. I think it's M&G Stationery or something like that. And okay, so I'm sorry. This one, the purple eraser, and this one is this eraser. Wow. This did a better job than this did. The white erasers, I just don't have good luck with the white erasers. I don't know what it is about these things. Maybe it needs to be seasoned or something, you know. Do you have to season erasers or something? I didn't have to do it with this one. And I don't have a problem with the, what's the mechanical one? I actually did a decent job. I'm surprised. So, there we have it. Whoa. Zoomed in. Oh, now see? You see the violet top bar there? I have to fix that. Now, I'm not too crazy about these caps. They're very tiny, you know. Like, could it fit here? Can I fit it? No. Can I fit it here? Well, I can technically. Oh, you can put it there while you're using the eraser, and it'll stay down because it's that way. Also, I noticed that this has the color on the cap here, the eraser cap or the eraser lid. That is very cool, and this grip is really nice. I don't even notice that I'm holding the pen. I'm sorry, the pencil. That's terrible. I'm going to zoom out a little so you can see the so-called big picture. And for the time being, I'm keeping my pencils, I said it, in my lovely butterfly box that let's see. Oh, I have to put it here. That I made on, did I make this? I made it on camera, covered it on camera. Wrinkled the paper not on camera. What do we want? Oh, I should do it this way. Now, I don't know why I'm putting this away, because I do have to create a thumbnail, and I usually put them out. But, oh, that's right. I'm demonstrating. Where does Tammy keep these? And then I put them in the hall on one of my organizer bins in the hall there. Should I include my refills in my thumbnail? I should, yes. Intro, outro, and thumbnail. Sure. But I'll put those in here, and then I will try and put them, I think I can put them in there afterwards. So, yeah. Even with the gloves on. You do want to be careful with these because you can break the leads very easily, and that's because, you know, they're kind of loose in there. They're actually kind of loose with a little bit of grip here that it'll grip it, but they're so thin they are very breakable. Okay, I'm done. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have an artistic day. Bye.